Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be showing you a tutorial on how to tweet from your phone/mobile devices. Doesn't matter what phone you're using, as long as it's an Android or iOS, the system is pretty much the same. So first of all, open up your Twitter. Once you're in Twitter, this is going to be your screen. There's really nothing on the left side. There's only profile. You can go to your profile if you want. From here you can edit your profile, but we just want to tweet, right? So you want to press on that plus icon in the bottom right side, this one. Once I press on plus, over here we can add photos, GIF, and tweet. I just want to write a tweet, so I'm just gonna do something like first tweet, let's go. Alright, and then over here we can select on who can reply. Everyone, people that follow you, only people you mentioned. Sorry, I had a cough. So we're just gonna select it. We're just gonna keep it on everyone, and then we just want to press on tweet, and that's it. That's our first tweet from this account, and it just went out. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.